continue to get you the updates that we are picking up here on Times Now when it comes to the Sandalwood industry actor Darshan, who has now been picked up. He's been detained by the police on the charge of a murder case. He is said to be allegedly involved in the murder of Renuka Swamy from Chitradurg, where the Swamy had allegedly made some derogatory social media posts against the actor Pavitra Gowda. And as per sources, Swamy was murdered in a shed in Kamakshipalya station limits. So what it comes to the links that is now been drawn with the actor, that he is now been picked up, of course, when it comes to the information that we are gathering as he's been detained by the police. This is a case of a murder that is now being investigated. More details that are now coming in, what possible links that are now being drawn, because the police is acting on the same, where it is being alleged that Darshan may be in touch with the accused. So for further questioning, the actor has been detained by the police. He is now been taken into custody by the Kamakshipalya police over his alleged connection with a murder case. And what is being said that he's been taken into custody by the police in Mysuru, who are now bringing him to Bengaluru. Can you confirm that for us, Deepak?
Well, as of now, yes, from Mysuru being brought to Bengaluru any moment now, he will be reaching the Kamakshipalya police station. The latest that we can also tell our viewers is that two people have been, two of his bodyguards have also been picked up in this particular case. And right now, they also will be questioned. And right now, it looks like there is some trouble coming the way of Mr. Darshan, who's a popular Sandalwood actor here. Considering the fact that he has been picked up in this case, it looks like the police believe there is some strong involvement of this individual in the case.
Right, but what is the link that is now being drawn to the murder of Renuka Swamy?
Well, that's exactly the detail that we are really waiting for. As far as the police are concerned, they are remaining tight-lipped about what exactly is the involvement of this particular individual and what exactly happened. As far as the FIR is concerned, that goes on to detail that, there was this body that was found on the 9th, and after which the police who found this particular body with injury marks, they have gone ahead and filed this complaint. And we should note that after the complaint, of course, was registered, the police began investigating various angles into this particular case, where they have, in fact, found out that there could be a possible altercation that has taken place. Because he had put up some derogatory posts about Darshan commented about another individual as well, which has not gone down too well. So these are some of the details that have emerged post investigation. However, for an official statement to give to get more clarity, we are awaiting a detailed statement from the police officials.
Deepak, when you say picked up, does it mean detained or he's been arrested?
Well, as of now, he is being brought to Bengaluru. The latest that we have is that, he is going to be questioned, but there is a high possibility that he could be arrested in this particular case as well. We are awaiting more details from the senior police officials about the status as far as this particular arrest, or whether it is just a detention at this point in time. But for sure, with the kind of, movement that we are seeing as far as the police is concerned, it looks like there is a lot of trouble coming the way of this actor now.
So can you tell us a quick background exactly what was this all about? Apparently on certain social media comments that were made by Renuka Swamy with regards to another actor that was said to be close to Darshan. What is the alleged involvement, and therefore quick background if you can give to us?
Now, we should note that this is a security guard who found this individual's body. It was a 35-year-old body, individual who was found near Anugra apartment. This is some latest details that I'm right now getting. The Kamakshipalya police, of course, following that, registering this particular FIR. And after that, right now, we should note that two bodyguards of Darshan as well have been arrested in this particular case, and the inquiry, of course, is underway about their involvement too. We are also here, told that all of this leads, are pointing fingers at the actor because of certain social media posts which, were against him, or something that he did not like, and that's the reason, he is right now being picked up, because there could be a possibility that a crime must have been committed on his instructions, or whether he was directly involved in this crime in itself. This is something that the investigation will further reveal.
So is he the only one who has been picked up and detained for questioning along with his two bodyguards, or there have been formal other arrests that have also taken place by the police?
Well, as of now, what we've been told is that 3 people, totally 2 of his bodyguards, and he, of course, right now being picked up in this case. And the investigation, as it proceeds, of course, questioning of multiple other people as well has continued. So it remains to be seen with the police right now questioning several people, and also, of course, here Darshan and his 2 bodyguards as well being picked up. Whether they will be able to really crack this case, that remains to be seen.
Right. As per the FIR, Deepak, if you can share more details exactly when it comes to the police and the investigation that it is leading.
Well, yes, we've also got access to, of course, the FIR in this particular case. The FIR details various aspects. I'm, in fact, going to ask my video journalist to really show us a little closer into what the details of the FIR here are. Now, the FIR really talks about the incident taking place on the 9th, where you can also see one of the FIR details out. The security guard here really identifying a body there with a lot of injuries near the apartment, and after which he goes to the police, approaches them, and eventually, of course, goes ahead and files a complaint, and a murder case is registered. Initially, they don't know who exactly is involved in this crime, and the FIR was registered. You can only see, of course, the age of the deceased here, and they've written the injury type, which they say is fatal. There's also, of course, as far as the list of who the people who've committed crimes are concerned, they've not mentioned anything, and it says unknown, because at that point in time it was a mystery death for the police as to they really had to get to the bottom of
more
who this
reactions on this. Deepak, please continue to be with us. Brinda Adige is with us. Brinda, as far as the murder is concerned, of course, there is a lot of mystery surrounding it, but a very popular actor by the police there, we are told, have been picked up. Darshan has been picked up for questioning.
Well, I hope the police are able to file a watertight case if this man is involved. But we must remember, a couple of years ago, he was in the news for domestic violence also, and for something else which I can't remember just now. But that said, actors and people with influence and connections, the impunity is very high. They do not like to have any bad publicity, but they are also not very happy if anybody is questioning their unethical behavior elsewhere. So instead of, coming out and coming clean about things, murdering somebody just goes to show that they are not afraid of the law. Probably also we must hold the police responsible that they are also very careful to file a case that does not hold water in court or may not have enough evidence because of the kind of public support somebody like him might have it. And also because of the fan club and the frenzy of the fans. I think it is time for the Bangalore police to ensure that if this man is involved, directly or indirectly, because the post that Renuka Swami has been putting has been about this particular actor and whatever his affairs are or not there. But he is directly involved in that, and that is why something like this has happened. And the police is not someone to go and detain and arrest somebody simply. I'm sure they have done extensive groundwork and have investigation in their hand which gives them enough evidence to say we want to take him in. But now we have to say whether the police are going to file a watertight case, and punishment, due punishment is meted out. Until then, examples will never be set.
Well, that is up to as far as the police is concerned, because law will take its own course here. Brinda, thank you for that. Let me take that question back to Deepak, because Deepak, as far as the FIR is also concerned, it doesn't really give out much details. Of course, if you can tell us in what condition as far as the body that was recovered and why it is now being called as a murder most foul in the manner in which the body was found.
Yes, and if you go by the description that in the FIR that I just read out a little while ago, it does, of course, detail, several injuries on the body, and, it was quite a brutal murder. Why exactly was this individual murdered? This is something that the police will, of course, give us complete details about. And right now, very preliminary, sketchy details, of course, emerging, because this is quite a high-profile case, considering the popularity of this actor. Brinda Adige was pointing out.
I believe the police is giving out a briefing on this, Deepak.
ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಮೊದಲ ಗಂಡ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಆಕೆ ಕೊಲೆಯಾದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಆಕೆಗೆ ಮೊದಲ ಗಂಡ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಳಬಹುದು ಅಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಬೇಡಿ.
ಈಗ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ದರ್ಶನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಕೆಲವು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನು ವಶಕ್ಕೆ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿದೆ, ವಿಚಾರಣೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸುಮಾರು 10ಕ್ಕೂ ಮೇಲ್ಪಟ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಇತರ in connection with a murder case registered in Kamakshipalya police station, limits of Bangalore West division, which was registered on 9th morning. One of the actors of Kannada film industry has been secured and he is being questioned. The details are yet to be ascertained, and since the matter is under investigation, further details we will be able to. The victim is one person from Chitradurga. He is about 33-year-old. His name is Renuka Swami. He is asserted to be the victim.
Sir, all of them are detained or arrested, sir?
They are being questioned.
They are being questioned. Sir, how many have been detained till now in this case?
They are being questioned.
Sir, how many?
They are being more than 10 persons are being questioned.
And he has been murdered with a knife or what, sir? Any idea, sir? How
Further details are awaited.
Sir, Ms. Darshan has been picked up for questioning, not arrested. Can you share this?
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಪತ್ರಿಕಾಗೋಷ್ಠಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪತ್ತೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು, ಹಾಗೆಯೇ CCBಯವರ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇ ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ನಗರ ಪೊಲೀಸರು ಕೈಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಚರಣೆಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಮಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಪರಪ್ಪನಗ್ರಹಾರ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಠಾಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿನ್ನದ ಒಡವೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಳತನ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ 3 ಸಂಘರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳಗಾದ ಅಂದರೆ ಜುವೆನಲ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ದಸ್ತಗಿರಿ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಬ್ಬರು.
Well, another angle that is now being attached as far as this investigation is concerned, that was a briefing on part of the Bengaluru police, not saying much, saying the case is under investigation and details are still being ascertained, but also what is being said, and Deepak confirmed that to us just now. As far as the actor is concerned, Darshan is concerned, Imran is also with us, Neha is also joining us right now. Imran, we are told that not just the actor, his bodyguards have also been picked up.
Well, yes, that's police have just given us details about that, not just the actor or his bodyguards. In total, 10 people have been picked up in connection with this murder case. The police have said that all are being questioned at the moment. Arrest is not, police said that no one is arrested yet, but all are being questioned, including actor, popular film star and actor Darshan, who in fact also campaigned for Sumalata for Mandya during both Lok Sabha, Assembly Lok Sabha polls last time. And he's a very popular actor in Kannada film industry, one of the top 3 actors of the film industry, who's been now picked up in a murder case. Allegedly, the Renuka Swami is a person from Chitradurga. Now, the police says that he was posting some pictures of his person close to Darshan and comments on them. That's the reason why that's some reason for the murder is getting to know. But the police at the moment saying that the why he was involved, what is his larger role, they have kept a tight lip on that, because he's a very popular actor at the moment. Understand the police does not want to give out much more details in the case till they build up concrete proof against him. But it's a big news that in Karnataka film industry has woken up to the shocking news of actor Darshan has been picked up in the questioning of that to a murder case, along with 2 of his bodyguards and 7 other people in connection with the case of a person named Renuka Swami from Chitradurga.
Right. We also have Neha with us. Neha, owing to his popularity, this is being called as a very high-profile case. What is being said that the actor was out on a shoot there where he was picked up by the police. We just heard a police briefing on that as far as his detention is concerned, or rather, they have not been using any specific word. They are only saying that he is being questioned.
Well, that's absolutely right, Amita. Of course, reporters there asking the cops about whether he was arrested, whether he was detained. They're not really sharing more information at this point, but merely the fact that he's currently, of course, been secured. That's the word that they said, and that he's being questioned. Now, remember, of course, it's not just him. There are at least another 10 people is what the Bengaluru Police Commissioner there is confirming. Of course, we'll really have to wait and see what was the actual involvement and the role of this actor, if at all he was involved in this, because as of now, this is, of course, very preliminary information that's being shared about one, of course, him being picked up there from another part of the state and being brought to Bengaluru's Kamakshi Palya station for questioning. And secondly, the fact that, of course, the FIR has now been registered. Basis those details, we'll really have to wait and see what emerges. The cops, of course, in the FIR, they're noting that the body of this person named Renuka Swami, who happens to be the victim, was in fact found near the Kamakshi Palya police station limits, near a drain is what we're being told. And from there is when, of course, the investigation has begun. But so far, in the FIR, there haven't been any names that have been mentioned, but merely mentioned as unknown persons. But yes, of course, the police, they're confirming that, a Kannada actor here in concern, actor Darshan, they're being picked up right now for questioning.
All right. So trouble that seems to be now mounting for the actor as he, along with his bodyguards, Deepak, information coming in at least on part of the police in this very short briefing that they said around 10 people who are being questioned.
Yes, 10 people. This includes the actor, this includes his bodyguards, and also a few other people who probably have information about this particular case. Now, this is a 35-year-old or 32-year-old individual. The police, of course, right now have said that the postmortem as well has been completed. They do realize that this is a sensitive matter at this point in time. That's the reason they're not really divulging too many details. But he's been picked up from his farmhouse in Mysuru, being brought to Bengaluru, where further questioning will continue. We've also been told that yesterday, while of course he was shooting, he's called off shooting, claiming that he was exhausted a little while, before the scheduled time, and then he, went to his farmhouse from where the police have actually picked him up. Now, whether he was suspecting any sort of such action from the police is something that we'll actually have to wait to get more information about. But like we were mentioning a little while earlier, that Darshan, of course, has been a man who's been very close to controversy in the past as well, with a case of, harassment that was filed by his wife. There was also, of course, the divorce petition that came in, a lot of controversy that erupted at that point in time about, this particular actor. Also closely connected with the political scenario. We should note that Darshan, of course, played a very crucial role in the Mandya Lok Sabha election last time around, not this time, when Sumalata Ambarish contested from the Mandya Lok Sabha constituency. It was Darshan, who's a very big actor, especially in that belt, very popular one, completely backed Sumalata Ambarish at that point in time. Many say that one of the biggest reasons for her, win as an independent candidate. So, quite a high-profile case, this one, considering his popularity as an actor. And right now, all angles being looked at. While they question him, they will probably be able to get any details as to whether he was directly involved or whether this crime was committed on his behest, or whether he has no connection at all. So all of this, of course, will only emerge after a thorough questioning is done.
All right.